is going to walk you through how to create a Google Hangouts invitation and how to start a Google Hangout with your group to practice your presentation. So only one of you in the group needs to come to Google Calendar, and you're going to create an event that includes your Google Hangout link. So go to the date, to your Google Calendar. It's either going to be a plus sign down here, or you can just click on the time anywhere on the date where you want to have it and do more options. You want this more advanced view of the invitation, so that way you can make sure you have all the details correct. So I'm going to call this our practice presentation. You want to make sure your date and your time are correct. And then this button here where you can add conferencing is how you're going to create a URL invitation for all of your group members to join this meet. So now I'm going to come back here, and all your group members are going to come here to join that meeting. You can put little description here, like click the link above to join, and then all your group members will know what the heck this is. So when you're ready, you're going to add a guest. So I'm going to add Mr. Peckert here. You want to make sure that you have all of the emails exactly correct, or it's not going to work. Okay, so once you have those there, I'm going to delete this so he doesn't get a little email, but have all of your emails here listed. Once you're ready, you're going to hit save, and it will prompt you if you want to send an invitation to all those people. Definitely send them an email so they'll go to their calendar and see this. So when the date arrives, you and your group mates will come to this invitation, this event in your calendar, and you'll see that now there's an active link here. So I can click on this, and I can make sure that me and my group mates click on that same link. And when we're ready, we're going to hit join now. So we're going to join this meeting. And I've turned my camera off. You can choose to show each other or not show each other, whatever you want to do. You can also mute your microphone if you're kind of waiting for people to join. So make sure you utilize those buttons. If someone can't hear you or see you, it's probably because of those options. You have other options as well. You can choose to present your screen. One of you is going to have to do this. So whoever is going to toggle through the presentation, I would choose to have that button clicked. So you can choose to show your entire screen. So that way you can have your presentation up, and whatever is on your screen, the whole group will see. Okay, so I can share my screen and go to my Google presentation. Okay, so if I have my Google presentation up, everyone there would see. Another option for you, so you can kind of go back and view it later, is one of you can choose to record the meeting. If you click that button, it will send you an email a couple minutes after the meeting so you guys can view how you did in your presentation. So it's a great opportunity for you to see how you're doing, how your group members are doing before you guys get in with Mr. Peckert and do the real deal. When you're done, you can just hang up, leave the meeting, and you've done your practice. So hopefully that helps. Good luck to you.